I went grocery shopping in Colombia, and you will not believe how much money I spent to feed my family of 5 for 2 weeks. These are 3 huge grocery bags. I didn't go to a fancy supermarket, nothing of that sort. It was just a regular supermarket in some countryside on the roadside. We got everything that we needed, and starting with the protein. Although we don't consume a lot of egg, we are pescatarians. This is my protein. A lot of people are always wonder how you live, how you know that. Well, that's how we survive. We just eat lots of vegetables. These vegetables that you see me showing here first, this is what keeps us alive and well. But don't worry, if you are a meat eater, towards the ends of this video you are going to see the meat in a supermarket and how much the meat did cost. The vegetable quality in Colombia is so high, and up to now I don't know why is it that it's so difficult in the Caribbean to get produce of this high quality at this price. Look pan scallion. Look pan how scallion long. Me never see them healthy scallion there yet. And look how the onion nice, smooth and clean. The pepper them hot and nice, and the cucumber crunchy. Going shopping in Colombia was always a gift for me because I just get to consume this why the one pair? Why? I couldn't understand that one. We got some fruits too, although we prefer to buy the fruits them on the roadside. And the Airbnb that we were staying at did have a lot of fruit trees too, but this time it was rainy, so we just got these instead of going on the roadside. Me not done yet, me not done. Look pan Irish, nice and clean. Of course, snacks, liquor snacks, I forget because I have 3 picnic, sweet, nice guava, lemon cookies. Yes, holy snack did I get. And this is panela, which is a flavor sugar that you will put in your tea. Very nice at nighttime. And of course, some flavored tea too. Now, you will not believe how much all of this costs, okay? My picnic them big, they neam enough. And so that's my husband. We could never find jasmine rice in Colombia. I don't know why. Of course, the sugar not good for you, but you have to get it to make juice and them thing there. This ear product me did buy, never good. Me sorry if me buy it. The product here, if you watch the dish them, they was good. And the lotion, smooth, nice, smell good. Ashini gone. This product here was not good either. Me sorry say me get it too. This is the meat at the supermarket. I mean, want to pay attention on how them display the meat. Is not pre-packaged. It's super fresh, not frozen. And the price of the oxtail, me say, is the equivalent to 380 Jamaican dollars per pound, right? That's what it said. Cola, that is the oxtail. And in Colombia, it shocked me. The eggs are never in the fridge. They always keep them in the shelf like that. So this is everything that I got. Look here. Go Lindsay, go market, not Aki will sell. And this is my bill for everything. We could do the math. 407,820 Colombian pesos. It is 4,000 Colombian pesos for $1. That is 101 US dollars. By 157 is 16,000 Jamaican dollars. Me did spend for the whole of that food there. Uno in Jamaica, let me know how Uno feel about spending $16,000 for all this food. Don't bother send me go downtown. And the same for everyone in the Caribbean, especially Cayman. Thank you so much for watching. Much love.